Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to VIVO X200 FE. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Now to use it, you need to set it up by tapping on the same options in both apps. Let's start by hitting I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm at the bottom. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Now you can tap on whatever you want to in all those other ones. When you're ready, select Send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of VIVO. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple just for example. In the last two categories, contacts and files, you need to choose Allow a few more times to access them. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom to continue. If you decided to transfer any app, use OK button in this white pop-up and then hit Got it in Here's Some Tip 1. Now it's finally time to decide which connection way you wanna use. If you wish to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide on VIVO. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your VIVO's camera at the code. If you want to input this key, tap on Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire and connect using red Receive button. Whatever you decided, just wait. Close or add. And as you can see, after that, my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!